What's going on, snipers? Naeem Al-Obeidi here. Hope all of you guys are having a wonderful day today. Let's go ahead and dive right into our daily cryptocurrency content for today. I think this is going to help a lot of people, and I get this question a lot. Naeem, how do I prevent myself from losing profits when there's a sudden drop in the market? So I'm going to talk about a universal principle called stop loss orders and teach you guys exactly how to implement this in the cryptocurrency marketplace where we see so much volatility. As you guys can see, our current market is pretty much all red with a few exceptions here. Ripple just killing it at $1.17. But let's go ahead and show you guys exactly how I actually prevented myself from losing profits with this recent Bitcoin sudden drop. So we saw this pattern form here. It all started with our Discord. If you guys aren't on our Discord, go on the link in the description below, download Discord on your mobile application as well as your desktop. It's a free resource that we have open for all of our members. There's also a website version, and you guys can actually go down here and look at our resources. We also just added some new coins to our coin area, so I'd definitely check that out if I were you guys. But when you go to Trading 101, you can actually go down and look at what a head and shoulder top really is. It will show you exactly how it's formed and where the breakout and trend reversal occurs. As you guys can see, there's a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and there's a neckline. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can draw this out. So this is where I saw this forming here. I actually posted it to all our Discord members. So if you guys are on Discord, you actually get those alerts when I make those sudden trades. And I sold all of my positions right here. I'm going to show you guys how I sold it in red. So I sold my positions at this exact price point right here. I sold 25%, I sold another 25%, I sold 50% right over here, thus preventing me from losing any of my profits, because at this point we would have been a lot lower than I was today. I actually have the exact chart pulled up here. I did it on one of our live streams. We do a live stream every single night, as you guys know, and I talk about all the pricing. I take your request, and I actually saw this break right here in this channel. The head and shoulder was formed, and the trend reversal, I knew right there I needed to sell. I actually set up my stop losses, so I was completely safe. I'm going to show you guys 3 of my favorite exchanges and how to set up the stop orders on these exchanges. Number 1 is where you purchase your Bitcoin, your Ethereum. Now they've added Bitcoin Cash as well as Litecoin, and that's GDAX. So that's a Coinbase subsidiary, and if you want to sign up, the link is in the description below. But I would recommend using GDAX. For altcoins, I recommend Binance. Binance is one of my favorites because you can use their BNB token, and their BNB token actually lowers a lot of fees. And then they also have the ability to use stop limits. And then Bittrex is very popular with a lot of people as well. You can actually set them up. It's actually called a conditional order on Bittrex, so it's a little bit different. But I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this if you guys don't know. Pretty much, it's very simple. You go to stop here, and there's different types. There's stop limit orders and then stop losses. I'll show you exactly what that means here. If you go to our Discord, just go to Trading 101 on the bottom, and then just look here. It says stop order can be used to get in and out of a position at a set price. Once the price reaches the stop's price level, your order will be converted into a market order. Since your order turns into a market order, it is also prone to slippage. If the price never reaches the stop, then your order will not be executed. So what I always recommend is a stop limit order, because a limit order gives you a set price threshold. So it's not necessarily one specific price, so you can ensure that the trade is executed. So that's all in our Trading 101 on our Discord, guys. So let's go ahead and pull this up here and show you guys exactly how this would work. So let's say I was going to buy, let's do a stop buy order of 10,000 US dollars worth of Bitcoin. And let's say my stop price was, let's say theoretically I saw a channel forming here at 15,400. I would set it up at 15,350, and I would probably do like 25% of my position. So let's say we do $15,350 is the stop price, and you can do a limit order. So a limit is going to be the threshold so that it is ensured that it is executed. So I would do 350 all the way down to like maybe even 300. So 15,300, and there you go. Total BTC that will be in this point purchased. So here's sold. So there's a sell order will be done right there. Now it turned into BTC. That's why it's a crazy number. So that's pretty much how you set up your stop loss orders. And then there's also another method that I use to actually make profit during breakouts. And I'll show you guys exactly how to do that on one of our other videos. But if you go to Bittrex, it's the same exact concept. I'm sorry, Binance. So you've got the stop limit here, buy BTC, sell BTC. And the same thing with Bittrex. It's just under a conditional order. So I hope this helped out, guys. If you want more of these types of videos, put that in the comments below. But my question to you guys is, how do you guys utilize your stop loss orders? Because I know there's a lot of different ways to utilize it. What are your different methods? I like to use a tri-layer strategy where I have 3 layers of price points so that I can ensure the maximum amount of profits or ensure the prevention of losing a lot of money. So hopefully this helped out, guys. Other than that, it was an awesome video, guys. We'll have a live stream tonight. Thank you guys for all making the Discord such an awesome community. I think we've hit over 2,500 members, which is awesome, guys. So with that being said, guys, that's it for today. And until our next video, snipers out.